Hello everybody, welcome. This is 321 Crypto. I'm Matthew and let's go today. So today very quick news. I'm just gonna show a few coins, few messages, and that's it because I don't feel too good, but there is a huge thing happening which may infect your retirement, your pensions. Today I'm gonna show you what to who you are giving your money. Hello and welcome, this is Matthew here, and if I don't have disclaimer in English, so I'm gonna just say that this is disclaimer. I'm not financial advisor, this is not financial advice, it's only my pure imagination. So let's go to Bitcoin, and one second, and Bitcoin actually we're supposed to have here. Yes, so Bitcoin, listen, Bitcoin is going up exponentially, but I'm looking for this move which is overheated. I'm looking for it downwards, but not too deep, something like here. So I could connect these points and create so-called ending diagonal. And here we're gonna have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we could go down. However, remember that the big tech, TradFi, banks, seeing this as well. So they know this thing, and if huge amount of shorts will rise here, I can be sure that they're gonna blow them up. So I wouldn't be surprised if we could see 60,000 Bitcoin by before 11th of March, and all-time high before halving, before even 11th of March, and then market could take short money and then could take longs money, because everyone will believe that Bitcoin is a fundamental cure for everything what is wrong with the financial system in this world. Bam! That's what I'm thinking. So what is my plan? I'm waiting now for a short. Then I'm gonna enter on this higher low, and then that's it. Bam! And we are going to this ending diagonal. That's my point. We will see what's gonna happen. Just a few coins. If you were entering with Octa with me, so you had plenty of chances, now you are way up, okay? Orion protocol, I was talking about this, and bam. But remember, do not FOMO in. It's too late now, it's too late. I am waiting still for higher low, okay, for higher low, and then to retrieve that thing. So don't worry, I wouldn't chase that thing, block. Same thing. We were waiting for this dip here. We enter here. Bam. Don't chase that round. Don't chase it. Gamer hash. I think now, so something like this I'm waiting that the Bitcoin will do. Yeah. So look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we see the divergences. Yeah. We see the volumes are going down. Typical for the last move. Okay, typical for the last move. That's what I'm kind of counting. And Sidus is now going outside of this zone, is trying to release that zone. Look here, very good level, very good level, very good level, very good level, very good level. If we're gonna pass that level, watch out, because I think then we will hear the news that there are launch pool tiers for the launch put qualification, and everyone wants to buy Sidus to have this lockup period, okay? Token that I'm looking for long term, about 6 months, okay? This is Scallop, and it's going into the real world assets, plus it's a banking, plus it's like a Fidium, but they have everything done, entirely everything is working, and it is after huge how many days? It's having over 362 days of consolidation. Well, that's for me. I'm waiting till Scallop will explode, but then I can buy the retest. So if you don't have any coins, look at the scallop. It's available on almost all exchanges. No problem to buy that thing. And I would finish at this point. However, I'm going to show you SP 500 and how your money is been locked up. So look, probably everyone is, probably most of you have some sort of pension plan. But remember, this pension plan is with some brokers who are connected with some pension funds, who are connected with some bigger brokers, and these money have been invested. So basically, the strategy is very simple. Dollar into pension, let's say every month. They are buying whatever is set in your program. If you are pulling out, dollar is out. There are no any other analysis, no other some deep things that we are doing here. That's how you are giving money to all these people in pensions, everything. They are doing this movement. Dollar in, dollar out. You can do it yourself, but by buying S&P 500 in any self-administration pension fund. You can give this away. You're giving your money away to these clowns. That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. That's how simple that is. If you don't believe in this, what I'm saying, you are just lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself. It's like giving your full health to a doctor. That's what it is. Okay? So if you're giving your health to somebody who is doing this for the money, watch out, because I don't think so. It's right. I don't think so. I don't think so. So if they are having money from the fees and they are not doing anything, and you will see the crash, and your money will be minus on pension will be minus 50%, then you will see what I'm talking about. Okay. So let's move to the news. Let's move to the news. So I have a couple of Polish news here, but one is very interesting in English. Yeah? It's, you know, when the Donald Trump will win, they are preparing a bill that Donald Trump will be not able to ban money support for Ukraine. That's how they want to do, so then they can impeach him. I don't know, but America for me, it's now going down. I have to turn on this banner here, okay, because I didn't turn on this thing on my previous video. So just see. So shout out to all the partners, okay. FINRA, look, this is the margin, the red line, and the blue one is the S&P 500. In 1997, margin was up. We have a dot-com bubble. After dot-com bubble bottom, margin was up. We went to 2008 financial crisis, yeah. Then margin was down. Then margin went up, S&P was up. So now take a look. All these loans and credits, they are not going into the economy. They are going into stocks. So if you are only working and if you are not interested in stocks, watch out, because that's where the money has been going. US pension funds worth $1.5 trillion at risk. That's what I'm saying. Everyone is loading into S&P. There is a good say in trading. It is not difficult to pump the market. It is difficult to get out from the market. Okay, because if you start selling all these big amounts, you're gonna crash the market. Watch out for Kraken. Kraken is now releasing notes to its customers that you have to put all the details of your self-custodial wallet, and if you don't have a self-custodial wallet and money was transferred from somebody's wallet, you have to give the details of that person. So we are going into a DeFi mode, I'm telling you, DeFi is the future. DeFi is the future. That's just the Polish news. Now this is just the news. I'm not gonna comment this. Just take a look at the screen. I don't know. Bad Robots is heading into the Epic Games. That's the token that I was showing you before, and it's explode really nice. Okay, and we have a nice promotion in Nexo, but I'm gonna cover this in the next episode, okay? Because I don't feel kinda too good today. So so let's go now. Let's go here. Bubbles, we're looking very good. Everything is being pumped. I don't understand, but Elizabeth Warren, so lady, she's against the crypto. She created a flag of the United States to honor Satoshi Nakamoto. I don't understand, but something is going on here. Something is going on here. Michael Berry is putting money into top two positions are Chinese companies. Remember Michael Berry from, you know, the Big Short movie? recently he haven't been so correct. Tencent is now not so cheap anymore, but is releasing more and more projects. Okay, ALvara, Pirates of Ireland is partnering with Plena. Plena is app with account abstraction, which may serve Pirates of Ireland. Pirates of Ireland, they don't have a coins yet. Yeah, this is a game. So the account abstraction is like full adoption for non-crypto. You can create like a bank, set of accounts that you manage them. There are no seats, no private keys, everything is manageable. And if you're gonna lose this thing, you're gonna call for support. Plus, if you're gonna have, let's say, plenty of purchases, you can add them into one basket. And if pirates want to cover your gas, you're gonna pay no fees at all. So imagine yourself, it's a banking adoption, a game adoption, everything adoption, shopping. Account abstraction on Ethereum could be very big. Like I said about Tencent, when I was talking about Tencent here, Tencent was about 55, 60 cents. Now it's $1. It's still cheap. However, when I was talking about Tencent, there was a project named ALvara. I covered that thing in a few episodes before because I didn't understand ALvara at the very beginning. And I was thinking, well, that's ETF, well, blah, blah, blah. But then I watched the interview with the CEO and I understood that actually they might have a perfect timing, because if banking crisis will begin, if all this what I said about SP 500 will actually happen, and the people will lose trust into hedge funds, investment funds. So these guys are former hedge funds managers, and they know what is wrong, and they are adapting small hedge companies. But if this non-trust behavior will run in financial systems, with ALvara, they can start accommodating more pension funds, investment funds, hedge funds, whatever, so that there will be a transparency of what is being purchased by this hedge fund. Every single user could check that thing, and that could be a game changer. So I didn't understand this in the very beginning, and then I read a few things about ALvara, and then I watched that interview, and I said, holy crap, if this guy is right, if this project is right, it could be remarkable something. So I am doing this, but you can get this on Tencent, okay? Very, very risky, but if this idea will play out, and I see now the untrust is, it is getting higher, watch the space, okay, watch the space. Orion protocol is getting very, very loud, like I said before, and Orion protocol is also very helpful because it is giving tech solution on the DEX. Okay, so Orion trade, watch out for Orion trade. Okay, it could be good. I am waiting for Orion to go down a little bit. I'm not adding now. I add a little bit here. I'm adding, and then I'm gonna pull the basket. Look what was the price in the top market? $28. It's now $1.45, $1.45. So it's nothing. So this price is nothing. Let's take a look what's the Orion market cap is, and we're gonna see how much. 50 million. So well, I think it could in this bull market it could 10x even. It could 10x. So that's just the Polish news, and the interest rates are going high. People who have a problem. More and more projects are loading into Web 3.0 gaming. This is a Moonbeam. So I noticed that everyone sees the opportunity in Web 3 gaming. This is the space which nobody was talking about, and at the moment every company is heading there. Starknet is releasing 700 million, Starknet's tokens to an airdrop. What does it mean for us? It means money. Even if you are not in this money from airdrop will go into different coins. So it's gonna pump the market. Okay, like I'm telling you, the cheapest coin now is the Swissborg. I'm using Swissborg to buy and sell cryptos, to transfer from my bank account and from my bank account. That's a Swissborg, and this token is very cheap. But using this token, you can buy so-called grades, okay, and then you could have access to a launchpad. Launchpad is when the pre-sales startups are running, but they are being sold very quickly. So token, very cheap for the moment, very, very, very cheap, okay? And you can buy this community membership pack and lock these tokens for a year, very cheap. Later on, they won't be cheap because I see all these launchpads, they are just been, launched. Link is also below. And that's it for today. Remember, Untrust season, I think it is starting now. We will see till 11th of March. Take care and bye.